Morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, Princetontrader.com here for ntmarkets.com with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart of the ES, and what we had yesterday, we've been talking for the last few days about how the 1960 high wasn't really going to hold up and how tight the Bollinger Bands have been. And what we saw yesterday was new highs. It took out 1960 and it just kept on going. So we put in highs of 1970, 175, and we are already on an upper band ride. That was satisfied this morning with the pop off of the ADP numbers. So we are in day 2 of a band ride, and the bulls, all the bulls need to do today is to hold yesterday's low, which is way down at 53.5. So I would expect some kind of a pullback today, fairly shallow dip. That dip should be a buy, and it should push us right back up to the upper band there, and then we'll see what tomorrow brings. The issue is going to become not whether or not we were going to go on a band ride, because once you get to the band, they're very easy to satisfy for the first couple of days. But the issue becomes as the bands expand, and you can see them starting to expand here. Are we going to ride it, and if so, for how long? If the bears are going to reverse this market, they better get started. They better get started today. Otherwise, the dip buyers are just going to get emboldened. They're going to do the same things that they've been doing, the same thing they were doing when we were establishing the middle band for 3 days here and popping up. We talked about how we did 3 days here, move higher, 3 days here, and a move higher. This has been very orderly. Even yesterday, people will say, well, look how far over the upper band we are. Well, that's nice. They were very close together to begin with, and you have to put that into perspective. They were also very close here. So I can't recommend you just go ahead and blind short a move to the upper band, because that is, that's inherently dangerous when the bands are this tight. You can get caught at the beginning of a band ride. So, what am I doing? I'm long from Friday. We've been kind of trading around it. If I get a chance to add to that, I will add. I'm taking profits, as we make some of these peaks, but I'm not looking every other handle to try to find a short here. I just, I'll let my long work. If the market ultimately pulls back in a meaningful way, there'll be plenty of chances to get short. So we have to see how the opening dip is dealt with. If this is a true band ride, then it's going to get bought, and we're going to go back up and touch the upper band, and then we're going to go ahead and do that tomorrow. So beware trying to top tick this market with bands that are this tight. It's not, it's very different from here. People will say, oh, look, it hit the band here and then it came back down. Yeah, it hit the band right here, and when it did, the Bollinger bandwidth at that point was, right about 4.94. So double of what it is now. So you can trade bands, but you have to trade them with some perspective. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Come check out the website. Come check out the chat room. Come be long with us from Friday. See if we can help out with your trading. I think we can. I look forward to meeting you. I will be out tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.